Anti-inflammatory elixir drinking tea with 2 cloves daily. Your urgent path to vital immune healing. Ever wondered why 2 cloves a day could be the secret to staying healthy beyond 50? Dive into the captivating world of the hidden healing benefits of clove tea. Uncover the survival lessons your immune system needs, the crucial role of immunomodulatory effects in clove tea, and the life or death impact they can have on your well-being. Stay tuned until the very end because we're unveiling an amazing immune-boosting cocktail that's bound to leave you in awe. Trust us, you won't want to miss this enchanting blend of flavors and health benefits. Let's unravel this enigmatic herb together. Quick disclaimer, while clove tea has huge potential benefits, it's still essential to approach it as a complementary measure rather than a substitute for professional medical advice and treatment. If you have specific health concerns, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional you trust to determine the most appropriate course of action for your individual needs. Now, the hidden healing benefits clove tea daily, especially after 50. Number 1. Why cloves are so good to add into your health routine. Clove tea is made from dried flower buds of the clove plant, Syzygium Aromaticum, and has been used traditionally. For its potential health benefits, it may offer relief for certain ailments due to its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. Number 2. Clove tea has provided relief for these issues. Digestive discomfort, oral health issues, inflammation, respiratory conditions, joint pain, immune system support, headaches, stress and anxiety, skin issues, menstrual discomfort, due to the natural anti-inflammatory properties in cloves. Number 3. Eugenol. The active compound in cloves are amazing at boosting immunity, healing inflammation, and gut health. Imagine Eugenol as the protagonist in a health narrative, gracefully navigating its way through various health benefits. Here's how this compound, found in cloves and other plants, might positively impact your well-being. Anti-inflammatory marvel. Eugenol takes center stage by reducing inflammation, a common accomplice to chronic diseases. Antioxidant guardian. Acting as a powerful antioxidant, Eugenol shields our cells from harmful free radicals and oxidative stress. Microbial warrior. Eugenol ventures into a microbial odyssey, displaying antimicrobial prowess to inhibit the growth of bacteria and fungi. Immune ally. Eugenol subtly influences our immune system, potentially offering support and modulation. Gut health contributor. In the realm of gut health, Eugenol contributes with its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, impacting the microbiome and gut motility. Cancer exploration. Research hints at Eugenol's potential to inhibit the growth of certain cancer cells, sparking curiosity for further exploration. Diabetes inquiry. Studied for potential anti-diabetic effects, Eugenol steps into the spotlight with a focus on improving insulin sensitivity. Stroke consideration. Eugenol suggests neuroprotective effects, though more research is needed to solidify its role in mitigating the impact of strokes. Consideration and caution. The effectiveness of Eugenol hinges on its dose and form, with cloves being a familiar and natural source. Individuals respond differently to Eugenol based on factors like genetics and lifestyle. Number 4. Immunomodulatory effects. Clove tea has been traditionally associated with potential immunomodulatory effects. Immunomodulatory compounds are the unsung heroes that play a crucial role in determining whether our body thrives or struggles. Let's delve deeper into their significance. Smart guides for immunity. Immunomodulatory compounds act like knowledgeable guides, teaching our immune system how to be smart and strategic. They provide essential lessons that enable our immune defenses to recognize and combat harmful invaders effectively. Balancing act for health. Think of these compounds as skilled choreographers, orchestrating a perfectly balanced dance within our immune system. This balance is vital for maintaining good health, ensuring that our immune response is neither too weak nor too strong. Readiness for inner balance battle. Life is unpredictable, and our immune system faces a constant stream of challenges. Immunomodulatory compounds equip our immune defenses, preparing them for any unexpected battles that might come our way. They keep our immune system on high alert, ready to defend against threats. Survival skills for our body's health. Imagine these compounds as survival instructors for our body. They teach our immune system the essential skills needed to navigate the complex world of germs and viruses. Without these lessons, our immune system might struggle to effectively fend off threats. Life or death immune impact. Here's where it gets serious. Immunomodulatory compounds can be the difference between life and death. When our immune system is well guided and balanced, it has a much better chance of keeping us healthy and alive. On the flip side, without this guidance, our body becomes more vulnerable to serious illnesses that could threaten our life. In essence, These compounds are the architects of our immune system's effectiveness, determining whether we flourish with good health or face challenges that could potentially be life-threatening. Their role is not just important, it's vital to our very survival. If you're looking to massively boost immune strength and incorporate a variety of immune-supportive foods and herbs into your routine, consider a concoction that combines several powerful ingredients for an immunomodulatory effect. 5. Clove Tea Healing Elixir Recipe. Crushing or grinding cloves for tea releases their compounds more efficiently. Start with a small amount, 2-3 cloves per cup, and adjust based on taste preferences and individual response. Medical conditions. If you have pre-existing medical conditions, especially related to digestion or gastrointestinal health, it's a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before making clove tea a regular part of your routine. Anti-inflammatory gut healing cocktail ingredients. Cloves, 2-3 crushed. Ginger, 1-inch piece grated. Garlic, 1-2 cloves minced. Turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon. Honey, 1 tablespoon, optional for sweetness. Cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon. Hot water, 1 cup. Instructions: boil hot water, then combine ingredients. In a cup, combine crushed cloves, grated ginger, minced garlic, turmeric powder, honey, and cinnamon. Pour the hot water over the ingredients. Then steep. Let it steep for 5-7 minutes. Strain and enjoy, while warm preferably. Use your judgment and use in moderation. While clove tea can be part of a healthy diet, excessive consumption of strong teas may not be suitable for everyone. As always, use your gut, as you know your body better than anyone if you listen to it. If you have concerns or specific health conditions, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice tailored to your individual needs.